You can see that our widget supports the one-time purchase option too. You can easily disable the one-time purchase by following this instruction if you want to sell your product only with recurring payment options. From your store Shopify admin panel, go to the Products section. Open the specific product you want to remove the one-time purchase for. Scroll down to the Purchase Options section. Check Only show this product with these purchase options. Now save the product and wait up to 1 minute so that the one-time purchase option gets removed from the widget. Here's the result. Your customers can now only purchase this product as a subscription. Just a quick tip. Our merchants' data has shown using the Comfy and Charmer widgets results in higher conversion when you are only offering your product with a subscription payment. Consider changing your widget style if you have removed the one-time purchase option. You can check our widget customization video to learn about our different widget styles. Stay tuned for more insights on each feature in our upcoming videos.